I don't know what Marley's been up to. Marley. Say cheese. You will not give up on that, Sweets. You'll be here all night. You'll be here all night. I hope you don't get eaten. There's literally a mosquito right there. You're so stupid, Marley. You won't give up on that swing. Say cheese, Marley. The swing's mine, Marley. You better give up. What are you doing with the swing? What are you trying to accomplish? Poor Marty. Mosquito. How about not being able to breathe? This is serious dog abuse. I'm so sorry, Marley. What have I done to you? Okay, my hands are so sweaty, I can't even stop.